Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whenever watching this. Welcome to a new Tech Talk video of power system protection technologies and subject. My name is A.V. Surendra. I am pursuing BTech final year in the stream of electrical and electronics engineering. And today I am going to discuss about the topic of electrical protection relays in this session. And let's get started with this video. And we are going to see the contents, what we are going to discuss in this video. First one is a definition of protective relay. What is a protection relay? Types of relays based on characteristics, the protection relay. Based on the logic, the protection relay. Based on the actuating parameter, the protection relay. Based on the application of the protection relays. These are all we are going to discuss in this coming slides. And the first one is what is protection relay. This is basic connection diagram of protection relay and the basic connection diagram of protection relays. These are the two basic diagrams which we can see right now, and we may get a simple clarity about the relays, and we can discuss it briefly in the comment slides. And coming to the next one, the definition of protective relay. The relay is an automatic device which senses an abnormal condition of electric circuit and closes its contacts with the circuit. Then these contacts in turning close and complete the circuit breaker trip coil. Circuit hence make the circuit breaker trip for disconnecting the faulty portion of the electrical circuit from the rest of the healthy circuit. It will helps the circuit to stop the connection to the faulty situations. And as on some terms related to protective relay, pick up level of actuating signal and the value of actuating quantity of voltage or current which is on the threshold above which the relay initiates to be operated. If the value of actuating quantity is increased, the electromagnetic effect of the relay coil is increased, and above a certain level of actuating quantity, the moving mechanism of the relay just starts to move. That is the basic definition of the protected relay and how it works and all. And we will discuss the types of relays. Is types of protection relays are mainly based on their characteristics, logic, on actuating parameter and operation mechanism. These are based on the operation mechanism. Protection relay can be characterized as electromagnetic relay, static relay and mechanical relay. Actually, a relay is nothing but the combination of one or more open or closed contacts. These all are some specific contacts. The relay change their state when actuating parameters and applied to the relay. That means open contacts become closed and closed contacts become open. In this mechanical relay, the closing and opening of relay contacts are done by mechanical displacement of different gear level system, and this is based on the characteristic. Protection relay can be characterized as these are definite time relays and inverse time relays with definite minimum time, nothing but IDMT. And the third one is instantaneous relays, and next one IDMT with INST, and next one is stepped characteristic one, and next one is programmed switches, and the next one is voltage restraint over current relay. These are the comes under the characteristic of protection relay can be characterized. And the next one is based on the logic of the protection relay can be characterized as these differential and unbalanced and natural displacement, directional, restricted earth fault, over fluxing, distance schemes, bus bar protection, reverse power relays, loss of excitation, negative phase sequence relays, etc. And coming to another one, based on actuating parameter, the protection relay can be characterized as the current relays and voltage relays and frequency relays and power relays, etc. also there, and we will discuss one by one. And based on the application on the protection relay can be characterized as these are two relays. First one is primary relay, and the next one is backup relay. And when coming to the primary relay, or we can call it as primary protection relay, is the first line of protection system, whereas the backup relay is operated only when primary relay fails to be operated during a fault. Whenever the primary key will relay will operate, the backup relay will also supports the main relay to support the system. And the protected relay itself is a defective, and the DC trip voltage supply to the relay is unavailable. Then the trip lead from relay panel to the circuit breaker is disconnected. Then the trip coil in the circuit breaker is disconnected or defective, and then the current or voltage signals from the current transformers or potential transformers respectively unavailable. Then the application of the protection layers will be characterized in these two relays, like primary and backup, as I explained you just now. And as because backup relay operates only when primary relay fails, backup primary relay should not have anything common with primary relay. So some of the examples for mechanical relay also. And the first one, in mechanical relay, it is characterized as some five types. And the first one is thermal. In thermal, we have three: OT trip, oil temperature trip, and winding temperature trip, and bearing temperature trip, etc. And the second one is float type. In float type, we have four types. First one is book holes, OSR, PRV, water level controls, etc. And the third one is pressure switches, mechanical interlocks, whole dispensary relay. These are the five types of mechanical relays are there in the protection relays. And in the end, and thanks for watching this. This is Surendra signing off.